Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about lancing press working operation. So lancing is a both cutting and deforming sheet metal working process. In lancing operation, we partially cut the material, but we don't separate the material from the sheet metal, and then after we deform the cutting portion to a particular shape or bend the cutting portion to a particular shape. This is lancing operation. So lancing is a sheet metal cutting and forming operation in manufacturing that involves partially cutting and deforming the material to create features like tabs, louvers or veins without removing any material entirely. So in lancing operation, we are partially cutting the material and deforming the material to a particular shape. So here no scrap is generated. So in this figure we can see the lancing operation. This is die, this is punch, and this is sheet metal. We can see that we have partially cutted the material to a particular shape and bent the material to a particular shape. So in this figure we can clearly see the lancing operation. Here we can see that this portion has been cut to a particular length and particular dimension, and we have bent the partially cut material to a particular shape. So this type of product is getting created by this lancing operation. So unlike other operations like blanking or punching where the material is fully severed, lancing leaves the material attached at one end, allowing it to be bent, formed or displaced to create the desired feature. So in this operation, we are creating any kind of product using sheet metal and using the set of punch and die, but no scrap is generated. So this is lancing operation. Let's now see the applications of lancing operation. First one is material efficiency. Here the material is not fully removed. So lancing minimizes waste and can be more material efficient than processes that involve complete cutting. So in this process no scrap is generated. So this is material efficient process. Next is integration. Lancing allows for the creation of integrated features like tabs or veins within a single piece of material, reducing the need for additional parts or assembly steps. So we are taking one piece of sheet metal and creating these types of like tabs or veins product without any kind of extra sheet metal. Next is flexibility. The process can be easily adapted to create a wide range of features in different shapes and sizes, making it versatile for various applications. So in this operation we can create any kind of different sizes, shapes. So this operation has versatile applications. So these are the applications of lancing operation, and this is lancing operation. So in this video I have discussed about lancing operation. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.